Hey folks, looky here, the Blackstone 5-piece Professional Griddle Tool Kit. Got your 2 squeeze bottles, 2 spatulas, and a scraper in there. Let's take a look and see what we've got. Got some serious packaging on this one. Two stainless steel spatulas, a stainless steel scraper, and 2 condiment bottles, squeeze bottles for water, wine, oil, whatever you'd want to put in there. So yeah, these are pretty nice spatulas. Nice heat-proof handle probably there. Get the 2 bottles out of here. Well, they got them packaged in there good. There's 1, there's 2. That one, that one. And so there you go. Looks like 14 to 16 ounce bottles, probably. 16 all the way to the top. With the Blackstone labeling. Heat scraper. All stainless steel. And the 2 spatulas. There you go. That's what's in the box. I'm going to get them and test them out. All right. Thanks for watching.